Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with an exhibition of the last paintings from 2021. Happy New Year! It is New Year's Day for me, and this is my take two. These are the paintings for the monthly drawing that will happen February 1st between 4 and 6 p.m. And they are some made with prism pours from Color Art, and there will be a 20% off coupon below the video. And I'm going to move them right along. Show you my two books that are on my Amazon link, and you can find them by going to my link tree below the video. I'm looking for the Amazon link. Unlimited Possibilities is the second 100 videos I made for YouTube with all of the tools and the processes, and this is the first one. I like the cover, and it has a lot of great stuff in it. People told me that they would really appreciate seeing more of those. I have lots of paintings from last month with prism pours. That was a do-over. That was an 8-inch round. This is, I believe, a 12-inch round or a 10-inch round. It's probably 10. I think it's 10. And I'm hoping that I'm shimmering these correctly. Ooh, look at that. Wow. That's that bonfire. That's awesome. And this was an early experiment when I had run out of GAC 800, and I'm very fortunate that the cracking, those white lines, is in appropriate places, and I like it very much. Otherwise, I'd be very unhappy. I have some 8x10s. You can see the flash and the fire from those prism pours. This is my purple dragon. I can't remember if there's a video for this or not. I think not. This is an experiment. And I think the same is true of this one. I think I'm going to call this, I think I called it Inverted Rose. And this was another one where I was experimenting with pillow paint or latex black and white house paint and a little bit of magenta Aussie Floetrol, just because I could. These were some, you know what? I'm going to have to zoom in. I don't think you missed a whole lot with those others, but I know I want you to be able to see this. Let's put it someplace you can see it. All right, so I can't remember the title of that, and if I keep talking, I'm not going to be able to show you guys everything I want to. That was my fish with skins. You can find all my playlists on my YouTube channel by going to playlists, all playlists, created playlists. I think I decided I like that better that way. I think it could go either way, to tell you the truth. So I have a stack of 12x12s, and I'm going to zoom out right after I get rid of some of these things. Right there. The first one that you're seeing, I was experimenting with some silicone and the prism pours and some leftover paints. And even though it's a little brown, I still think it's pretty cool. It has some nice shimmer to it. Not a ton, but some nice shimmer. This was a shovel pour and a toothy tool, and that's prism pour paint from Color Art. Don't forget the coupon is 20% off. This was a disaster of a video that no one will ever see, and I finally finished up by using a comb, and I absolutely adore this painting now. So I don't recommend giving up. This was an experiment that there's no video for, but there may come another. I might use it. This is part of my Reef series. That blue velvet from the prism pour is just, delicious. This might be one of my favorite all-time paintings, and it looks like it's upside down. Yes, it is. I wonder if those were. Yes, they were. Okay, well, never mind then. I love them. That is Cosmic Comet. And I'm hoping you're still in focus. Whoops. Well, it's been that kind of day. So I've got a 9x12 that I used to think was a 12x16. I don't know why. And I'd like to put that right in the middle. There we go. And that was a shovel pour, I think I mentioned. I'm having that kind of day. Come on, painting. Stop falling over on me, please. This was experimental with black and white house paint and some magenta from Golden in the Aussie Floetrol. This was a painting. I'm not sure if this is a save or not. I kind of like this, but I'm not 100% sure about it yet even. It does have some shimmer. I know there's some leftover paints. That's why the gray tones, but I like gray paint. This was nice. This was Color Art, Prism Pours. This is, I think I'm showing you things upside down. If you find something that you would like to purchase or you'd like to inquire about, please feel free to do so by using my email address below the link tree underneath, show more underneath the video. This did not record a video. I tried and failed. I didn't realize it wasn't recording, I guess. It hasn't happened very often. It's happened a couple times in a few years. In 4 years, probably. This is made from skins. Or a skin that was on the back of a silicone cookie sheet. And I just added paint. I added paint and adhered it to canvas until I liked it. And I even like the texture. This was an interesting painting, or I should say it was an interesting process, because it was definitely a process. Yep, it's that kind of day when everything wants to fall over on me. And I'm going to bring in the 12 by 24s after I make sure that you can see all of that. And I'm going to zoom all the way out. I like the drama in this. The texture is fabulous. This was December 31st, 2021's video. And there's Color Art Prism Pours used in there. This is also Color Art Prism Pours. I'm going to attempt to move this so you can see all of it. They're not birches, they're like a bamboo forest, somebody called it, and I like that title. And then there's, oh, this is awesome with the lacing. Just love that. And more awesome lacing. I'm hoping you can see this. Did I mention, make a note of the time if you find something that you like and you'd like to inquire about purchasing it? Wow, where did all the dog hair come from? This is the last painting I did this yesterday. And I'm happy that it's dry enough to share with you. I'll leave that there for a moment while I bring up some more. And try not to allow everything to fall over. Let's see if you can see all of that. Yeah, you can see enough of it. I'll put that back where it was. I like to do abstracts, what can I say? And spatulas are my friend. So I'm going to show you, sans paint chips, how dynamic this piece is. And I think it's upside down. So let me see if the rest of them are or not. Yes, they are. They're all upside down. Well, we'll just go from that one to this one. This may be a stage one. I might not be done with that. It's entirely possible. But I love a lot of the texture. That was my art therapy. That was definitely playtime. And I'm hoping to finish these up, but I'm not moving along very quickly. You can see all of that. That's perfect. This was the start of that. My first Prism Pour tree, happily. And I've done more since then. But I love this style particularly, with the colors and the lacing, and it always reminds me of a reef. Like there should be coral and colorful fish and all kinds of stuff. Now I'm going to bring in the 10 by 20s and tell you that the camera cannot do justice to this. This is just an amazing and very intense piece of art, and I'm going to try and shimmer that at you after I get it somewhat square in the camera. There we go. There's very deep purples in there, along with the blue velvet and the sapphire green. And then there's my experiment with silicone, which has some nice shimmer to it. And my first landscape experiment using Prism Pours. I love my little forests. And this was a companion piece to another piece that I really had a good time with that night. I think I'm calling that Fume. And I thought I was doing a stage 1, but I think that this is done. I love, love, love the colors in there. And I love the colors in here too. And the lacing and the patterns. I think I may sneeze. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Now I have 14 by 14s. And we'll start with the one I identify with as a caterpillar. Even though it probably isn't. I guess the last one could be the same, construed as the same way. If you guys want to help me out, give me a thumbs up, like my channel. Appreciate your comments, keep my morale boosted. I really, really appreciate your comments. Thank you so much. Pull some more things out of the way. And shimmer that at you. Rich, rich colors. Love those colors. Love this. I want to do a whole wave series like this. They don't have to be anything conventional. This was a recent video. This is awesome. I love this. I could do nothing but this style for an eternity and be very happy. This was the companion piece to the one I was talking to you about that I called Fume. This was a fabulous stage 2. I wasn't sure I liked stage 1, but I'm so happy that it happened because otherwise I never would have got stage 2. In stage 2, it's the perfect forest. Let's go back that way. Perfect. And then there's the lacing, which I absolutely love. I'm still upside down. But I am getting through them. I'm not sure which style this was, but I love this abstract. I love just composing on the fly, spontaneously. This was a split cup. My second split cup with just black and white, and then I did a second layer in gold. And I love the black and white. I love the graphic quality of that. I'm looking forward to playing with that some more. This was an older painting, and I used the Prism Pours in purple and turquoise and gold on top, and then I used my toothy tool, and that floated my boat. Made me very, very happy. And then I have another stack. I'll check if we're still in frame so you can see those. Almost. This is, there is a video for this. The other tree that was smaller, I lost the recording, or it just didn't happen. This shows how beautiful that pink diamond and that poinsettia are, along with the bonfire. Just gorgeous. Don't forget this 20% off coupon below the video. This is my first split cup. And that was a lot of fun. Maybe too many colors. This was Where There's Smoke, There's Fire. And I love that with the ombre black and white background. I'm going to play with that some more soon. And that is one of my reef pieces. And we are just about done. I think that I have included everything. And if I didn't, and I've got a little stack of 8x10s. You know what I have that I haven't shared with you? I have this. But I gotta move that other one out of the way. This is a coaster. I actually like this so much that I made a video. Come on, focus. Oh, please focus. There we go. Look at the flash. That's what all those paintings look like. I just can't seem to manage to make it happen for the camera. But, oh, wow. And someday I might resin a bunch of them, and that would be even better. I believe Color Art has resin too. So don't forget that promo code, because you'd come in really handy if you want some resin, or some primary elements, or some Prism Pours. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget to shop my Amazon link. It's on the link tree. My 2 books are there, volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, I think I said. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate your kind and wonderful comments. And if you want to be in the monthly drawing, look for the PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, or the link on the link tree. And if you use it, I will send you an invitation to be included in the monthly drawing. And don't forget, you can see the prizes for the February 1st, 2022 drawing. It is, yes it is. It's February 1st. Ooh, Happy New Year. Yeah, it was a good night last night. Anyway, if you want to help me out, shop my spring clothing below the video, or my gallerist on the link tree, or pixels.com Far North America, or if you need something from a playlist, I have over 2,400 videos, I believe. Pretty quick, there'll be at least 2,300 available to you. I can't get enough of that coaster. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for inspiring me. I hope to keep coming back for as long as I possibly can, as well as long as I'm able. Bye for now. Priscilla out.